Hi friends, welcome to Noonie Fun. Today we're gonna do something exciting. We are going to make some yummy cheese straws. So we're gonna use flour, some baking powder, salt, margarine or butter, some cheese, and pepper. No, so first we pour some flour into our little container, and then we're gonna add all of the other ingredients. We're adding cheese. Very much cheese. For our yummy cheese straws. I added on some black pepper. And now I'm adding on some baking powder. And now we're adding a little bit of salt. Now we're going to add some butter to grease our tray. We're adding our melted butter into our mix. Now we're going to give it a good mix. Okay, so we're going to mix things up. Add some more of everything. Once all our ingredients are mixed, we're going to add some water. Now that water is added on, it's going to get a bit mushy. Now our dough is ready. We then roll it up and flatten it so it comes nice and big. And then we're going to get ready to cut it up and put it in our baking tray and pop it in the oven. So now we're going to be cutting up our lovely mixture and we're going to get it ready to go on the tray. Okay, so we cut it up nicely. Now that it's all set in our tray, we're going to put it in the oven for a bit. Now our cheese straws are ready. And now our cheese straws are ready to be served. Let's taste one of our cheese straws. Absolutely delicious. You have to try this. Like and subscribe.